Let us see here a very interesting question from the topic sequence and series. In fact, this is a question from the topic sequences. Okay. So here question is write a13 and a20 for the sequence given by an is equal to n square when n is odd and an is equal to 2n minus 1 when n is even. We have to find out a13. This is odd, 13 is odd. So for a13 we will take this definition, and for a20, 20 is even here. So for a20 we will take this definition here. Okay. So let us see the solution. We have an is equal to n square and 2n minus 1. n square when n is odd and 2n minus 1 when n is even. Okay. So how to get a13? 13 is odd number, so we will take this definition. N square means 13 square, this is equal to 169. This is the answer for a13. And again a20, here n is even, n is 20. So for even, definition of an is 2n minus 1. So this is 2 into 20 minus 1, 40 minus 1, this is equal to 39. This is the value for a20. This is the answer. Okay. So question is very interesting. Hope you have enjoyed it, and we will remain in touch. We have to see so many important questions from this topic, from this chapter and other chapters also. So keep watching this video and enjoy mathematics. Thank you very much.